So, anyhow, we've got a carbine collection to look at today. So, let's just talk about M1 carbines. So, at the show today, and my brother and his friend have brought an M1 carbine collection. And we've got all kinds. That's a Saginaw, Rockola, Quality, Inland, Saginaw, National Postal Meter, Winchester, Standard Product, Underwood. It says Union Switch and Signal, but I don't think that's the name that's going to be on it. Yeah, it's a postal meter with a Union Switch and Signal something. IBM. And the rarest of them is an Irwin Pederson. So, how many companies made the M1 carbine, dear? 11 prime companies made the M1 carbine. And I don't know if he's got all 11 of them here on display, but he's got all the important ones anyhow. So the M1 carbines, the early ones had just a flip sight. The later ones had a dialable sight. Earlier ones had a band without a bayonet lug. The later ones had a band with a bayonet lug. No, the Pederson's down there. That's just an Inland. So, and there are many different bayonets as well for the M1 carbine. If you want to just collect M1 carbines, there is more to collect in M1 carbines than you could collect in a lifetime. Because after you get the 11 major companies that made them, you have companies that made them for the major companies, that made the receiver, made the barrels, made the different parts. So there's all kinds of different configurations and whatnot of the M1 carbine. They're terrific. They're terrific. And if you haven't shot an M1 carbine and you know somebody that does have one, go out and shoot it. They're the most fun plinking gun there is. They function nearly flawlessly. They were designed all after the breakout of World War II by Winchester. They copied a lot of the features of the M1 Garand and the bolt setup and whatnot. Like I said, I don't know how many different ones he's got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. He's got 14 M1 carbines out here on the table for sale. So, anyhow, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you like the M1 carbines. God bless you and God bless America.